Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Korean creamy Dalgona coffee. Let's get started. Hello guys, and how are you guys doing? I hope everyone and their family are well. I heard a lot of people cannot leave their house and a lot of stores are shut down. But unlike those countries, most of places are open in Korea, but I'm still afraid to go out where a lot of people are. So lately I spent a lot of time on my desk and spending on time on watching YouTube. And YouTube keep recommending one video what Koreans are doing under this situation. When I watched that video, it looks super simple. You only need 3 ingredients to make it, and delicious and really pretty. So today I would like to share how to make creamy Dalgona coffee that all the Koreans are doing because they can't leave the house. I'm so excited. It looks so fun. So let's get started. So first ingredient, you need instant coffee. Any kind of instant coffee will work, but I heard you can use the non-instant coffee. I don't know exactly why, but they explain the scientific proof, like something about the stabilizing the form or something, like it will get a different texture. So make sure get the instant coffee. And next, you need sugar. And last, water. That's all you need and you can definitely make it. So first, get any kind of instant coffee and add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, get a sugar and add exactly same amount as the coffee. Last, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure you use hot water, otherwise it's not gonna melt it. First, mix it well. This coffee is called Dalgona coffee. Dalgona is one of my favorite snack when I was young. It's made out of the sugar and a baking soda. It looks like really caramelized color. They usually make a big circle and use the cookie cutter to shape it with a star, cross, or any different shape they have. And when I was young, they usually sell it in front of the school. And I think it was like 10 cents or 20 cents when I was young. And they usually give you one of the candy, and you have to use the needle to get the shape right. And if you get the shape right, you get another one for free. So it was basically playing game. It was super fun. And if you guys want me to teach you how to make it, please comment down below. Then I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. This is called Dalgona coffee because the cream or foaming that we are making right now is the same color as Dalgona. This is like completely black right now. We gotta make this black color to caramel color, and we have to make this liquidy to really foaming, creamy meringue texture. Once the coffee and the sugar is all melted, get a whisk. And now we are gonna whisk it well. If you have an electronic hand mixer, you can use it. Then it will take only 3 minutes, I think. But since people cannot go outside, they start using a whisk. And I heard if you whisk it 400 times, you'll be done. I don't have an electronic hand mixer, but more than that, I would like to find out whether it can make it with the 400 times. I feel like it's gonna take longer, but since I cannot go outside, I have so much time, so I wanna find out whether it's possible or not. It smells a little good. I mean, it's not expensive coffee, but I think bad coffee is still coffee. Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? It kind of looks like Dalgona color. And I think the texture is a little changed. It's not foaming, but it's a little thicker than when we started. This is definitely working out. Oh my gosh, my arms are start hurting. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. Let's check it. Ooh, so much thicker. I think I just mixed 400 times, but it's not even close. They lied. All the title they say 400 times whisk coffee or something, but it need more than 400 times. Why did I start this? I have to entertain myself. Shake it, just shake it, yo. Just shake it, shake it, shake it, yo. Everybody. I think you guys should use electronic mixer. Don't suffer. I think it's enough for me just suffering. I'm literally sweating right now. Oh, maybe if you're at home and cannot go outside and you wanna work out, use the whisk. It's really good arm workout. I'm really curious. More I whisk it, lighter color it gets. How's that possible? Ooh, got thick. I think we're almost the end. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited now. Why did I start this? 아파요. 아파요. 진짜 아파요. My forearms are dying. All the instructions say you should do it until you can make a pick. So I'm gonna go a little longer even though I don't want it. I got the pick. I got the pick. Look at it. Pick. Pick. Finally got the pick. Ooh. That's on my finger. Okay. Oh my god. It just melted and disappeared. It's like a cotton candy. It's like a disappear. I feel like the texture is super light. Oh my gosh. It all stuck at the whisk. It's like a cloud. Oh my god. Look at how thick it is. It's like super thick. Once you got this texture, put to the side and get a nice cup and milk. Add as much as milk you want. I'm gonna add 3/4 of cups. And then we're gonna add our creamy dalgona on top of the milk. Will it float? Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? It's floating! Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty! It's just like Instagram or YouTube that I saw. Oh my god, I love the texture. It's so pukshin, like squishy and super tender, and I wanna keep fill this thing. Super creamy. Oh my gosh, did I really make it? Look at this. It's like a cafe level of the coffee. Looks super good. I wanna show you guys close up. Isn't it super pretty? And look at the texture. Oh my god. It's super creamy. That's it. Our Dalgona coffee is all ready to eat. Drinking time! Let's drink. But before I drink, I wanna taste just this. Like straight out of this. It smells super strong. Wow. Oh my gosh, I think I can just eat this. It's basically eating the cloud. Foaming is super 부드럽다, like tender, yeah. Foaming is really tender. Like once it touches your tongue, it just melts down through all the way inside. And the coffee is super strong. It starts bitter, but aftertaste, it's like sweet. So it's like a bitter sweet, and I really like it. Kind of want to eat it more. My gosh, super creamy. I can't believe there's no cream in it. I didn't add a cream. I only added coffee, sugar, water, and I got this creaminess. How's that happen? Now it's really time to drink. just smells so good. I can smell it all day. Wait, is it on my... I can't see it. Is it in there? I think texture is too thick, so I can't just drink it. It's all blocking all the milk. Let me try again. Nope, it's not happening. Ooh. I thought it's possible to drink without mixing it, but it's impossible because foam is really thick. So I'm gonna mix it. Oh my gosh. I really like the texture. I feel like I can stir this all day. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh! What did I just have? It is super good. I'm super shocked. In Dalgona, there's no coffee, but actually tastes is really similar to the Korean candy Dalgona. I'm super shocked. Since I use only 3 ingredients and instant coffee, I thought taste will be really cheap, but it tastes super expensive. I feel like I went to the really nice coffee shop and got the Einspanner. I'm super shocked how creamy it is. I mean, I'm not a coffee expert, and I always thought to make this creaminess, you need really good machine, like espresso machine or like a steaming milk machine to make this foaming and creaminess. This is incredible. I think it can easily charge $6 or $7 in a nice coffee shop. When I was eating just this cream by itself, it was too strong coffee flavor, and I mean, personally, I really liked it. But when I drink with the milk, it balances it out and make it more flavorful. If the coffee cream was a solo singer, this thing together is making a really good harmony. Like, oh, it tastes incredible. I think I'm gonna make this just daily basis. I'm gonna definitely order electronic mixer and start making this just daily basis. So you should definitely try. If you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. See you next week. 안녕! Oh my gosh. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!